Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my last video, we have installed Jupyter Notebook using Anaconda. Today, I will show you how to create your very first Python notebook, write your first few lines of code, and understand the basics. If you haven't seen the installation video, I will drop the link in the description. Check it out. Alright, let's start. At first, open your Anaconda Navigator. So go to your Start menu. Inside Anaconda 3 folder, you will get this Anaconda Navigator option. Click on it and the Anaconda Navigator will be open. This is quick in my case because I have already kept it open before. In your case, it will take some time to load. In Anaconda Navigator, you will see a number of IDs like PyCharm, Spider, etc. But you have to open Notebook, Jupyter Notebook. Click on Launch. As you click on Launch, it will take some time to load. Jupyter Notebook will load in a new browser and the URL will be localhost 8888. You can see all your folders here. Here is where you can create your Python files. As you can see, this is your desktop folder, this is documents, this is download. You can create your Python folder wherever you want. Suppose I want my Python folders to be inside documents. So I will double click documents. So inside documents, I have a number of folders, but I want to create a new folder for Python. So I will click on new and I will click on new folder. Here I will give the name as Python tutorial. Inside my Python tutorial folder, I will double click and then I will click on new and I will click on Python Ponder Environment Base. This will be our first Python notebook. You have just created your first Python notebook with this, but the title is untitled. You can change by double clicking on untitled and then I can give first Python and click on rename. You can close this pop-up. Now let's write our first Python code. So I will print hello world, print hello world. And I will click on shift enter and hello world is printed. Sorry, the spelling of world is wrong. Shift enter and hello world is printed. So as you can see, these are called the cells. You can add new cells by clicking on the plus icon in the toolbar, like this. Now, Jupyter isn't just for code, it is also great for notes and documentation. To create a Markdown, we can click on this drop-down code and we can see there are options of Markdown. If I click on Markdown and give a custom message that this is my first Python code and shift enter, so this will be written in the form of a Markdown text. Next, to save this file, we can click on this save icon. After that, to save this file, we can click on the save icon or just press Ctrl plus S and this file will be saved. Since we have created this file inside documents, so I can simply go to my documents folder and I can go to Python tutorial folder and here I can access my first python.ipynd file. So whatever files we will create in Jupyter Notebook, the extension will be ipynd. And that's it. You just created your first Python notebook, wrote your first line of code, and learned how to add notes. In the next video, we will explore how to install Python libraries like NumPy and Pandas. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and share it with your friends who is learning Python too. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.